Hey guys, we are back at the Glam studio with Ruchita, your makeup expert from MyGlamm, and we have our beautiful model Diksha, who is a fashion, lifestyle and beauty blogger. So today I will be doing a jewel toned reflective eye makeup look. I will be using more of blue and greens for the eye. If you want to know how to achieve this look, stay tuned. If you guys loved this jewel toned reflective eye makeup look, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more such videos. Bye!